the work that is being done by the Director of Ceremonies, our ED with the small letters. Allow me as well. Zimbabwe oye! Nigeria oye! Ndinokutenda inekuuya kwamaita kuzodzigira maiti tinai. Chinditendera in 2 minutes kuti ndingoparura mashoko anobva asimbisa chiitiko chiri pano anobva kuhurumende handiti tiite officially open zviri pamutemo 2 minutes chete. I want to acknowledge the Minister of Tourism and Hospitality in Zimbabwe, Honorable Barbara Rodzi, the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe Board Chair, who's here represented by Okma Sike, the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe CEO, represented by Aga Nyaminde, our star today, Felicitas Murata, affectionately known as Amai Titi. I also want to acknowledge the presence of your husband and family. Our Nigerian artists, we welcome you to Zimbabwe and thank you for being here.